Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create a credit note within a hospital module. Credit notes can be issued for an entire invoice or even partially or a single line, usually to rectify billing errors or inaccuracies. In this video, we will start on the case management screen. Click on the relevant case for whom you wish to do a credit note for. The case management sidebar will open. To learn more about the case management sidebar, please refer to the case management screen sidebar, navigation and news, user manual, linked in this video's description. Now, click on the case account button. The hospital case screen will open on the case account tab. For an extensive explanation regarding the case account screen, please refer to the case screen, navigating the case account tab, user manual, linked in this video's description. Crediting a full invoice enables you to generate an entirely new invoice, whereas partial notes can be issued when only a specific line item needs to be removed from the invoice. We will now take a look and demonstrate how this can be done. Double-click on the invoice line you want to generate a credit note for. The invoice line will expand, showing all the individual lines that were invoiced. Next, click on the Actions tab, then on the Credit Note button. Credit Note screen will open. First, complete the reason for the credit note in the reason field. To perform a full credit note, make sure that the full credit checkbox is ticked, which will also automatically tick all the invoice line checkboxes. Alternatively, to perform a partial credit note, untick the full credit note checkbox and manually tick the checkbox next to the respective invoice line. Once satisfied with the selection and information, click on the Save button. The invoice line credited will now display with a reduced amount, as well as appear as a credit note on the All Transactions list.